Hi friends, it's Sarah from Ruffles and Rain Boots. Today I'm going to give you a free file and a quick tutorial on how to use gold foil for the laser on the M1 Ultra. If you're watching this on a YouTube video and it's going fast, go to your settings, which is the cog, go to playback speed, and anything above the word normal will slow this down. But to make it easy, I have given you a free xTool file. So go out to Atomm, I'll put the link below, and get that. I painted a board 1/4 white, 1/4 red, and sealed that. Now I'm using gold laser foil. This is not cricket foil. This is not silhouette foil. This is specifically for lasers. I got it off of xTool's website. I have it in gold and silver. You can get it off of other places. All I'm doing is removing the backing and putting it directly onto a portion of the painted white section. I don't know why it focused on my sleeve there. I cannot apologize for my camera enough. So now I'm going to brayer it down. Is this necessary? It's not, but I figure I paid for that thing, so I might as well use it. Now I'm going to mask all of my painted and foiled area. This is Tape Man Blue masking. I get it off the Amazon and it's cheap and it works. If you get bubbles like that, be sure to pull it straight back as parallel to the table as you can, and it will not remove your masking. And then you can just either brayer or card it down. Now because my wood is warped 7 ways from Sunday, I'm going to use my honeycomb with pins. We have gold on top of white, then a section of white, then a section of red. Now in this file that I give you, all you're going to do is create your name. You can use any font, any style. You're going to remove my name and you're going to put yours in there with the same settings. All of the settings are actually in this file, but I'll also have them in a little tidbit down below in the Atomm listing as well. So you can see here, I am actually going to set score and cut because the name is score, the piece is cut. Every piece that is cut on top of painted masked plywood is set at 92 power, 5 and 1 speed. The reason I'm doing that is because I can go a little bit higher with my power. I'm going to auto measure and then I'm going to just mark the gold and white area. Normally, I would do all 3 of these pieces at once, but some people found that confusing. So if you are a beginner, just know you can do each of these sections. So I'm going to show you that today. So again, we are turning everything off. Zoom out, make sure all of everything on the thing is set to no output. Then just turn on the output for your hat fluff and name. And now you can mark, or you've already marked the area, but now you can size it if you had to size it down like me. I was a little worried about that red area because I didn't consistently paint it. So now I'm just going to process this. You can see that the score and cut for these settings took about 2 minutes. When that was done, I'm going to highlight both of those and turn them with no output. Then I'm going to turn on the hat fluff, and now I'm going to remark the area. We don't have to auto measure again because we haven't moved our board. So I'm going to delete it and then mark again. So there's my marked area. I'm going to hit end marking and done. Just drag that into the area. And now because my settings are set, I can just go ahead and hit process. And at my settings, that takes about 30 seconds. Once you have that done, go back out. You're going to turn that off. You're going to delete the marked area. And then you're going to mark the area for the red hat insert. Again, same process, end marking and done to lock that area in and position the piece before processing. I think that took about 2 minutes. Let's see. Yeah. No, 1 minute. My bad. Now, here's the best part. Turn that off. Auto measure a new piece of unmasked, unpainted basswood plywood. You're going to make all of those go away because we don't need them anymore. And you're just going to drag in your shape to your masked area. And by the way, it gave me a heart attack because this is tight. So you can see I have a score and a cut there. You can process both for easy placement, or you can remove the score. You can see I'm going to turn the output for that on, and then it will process both the score and the cut. You can see the settings there. No masking is in place. Once that's started, watch this. We're going to take all of our pieces that we've cut and make sure there's no soot on the outside. You can see I don't have any. If you dial in your settings, you won't have a lot of soot. You're going to use a plastic razor or something non-really pokey, and you're just going to pull the masking right off. That's it. All the pieces, even the foil. Then you're going to use the little razor to start your masking on the outside of your name. And look how easy this comes off. It doesn't take off any of your paint. You've already sealed it. Look, boop. Okay, easier way is to put it on the table and then pull straight back. So as parallel to the table as you can get, and it will pop right out. Use the plastic razor to get any inside of letters and you're done. You can seal it. It will remove some of the reflective property of the foil, but it will still be very shiny. As a reminder, go out and get that free Atomm file. That's it for me today. I hope you found this helpful. Please like the video and subscribe for more.